Welcome to qnawire.
So for part A, we're going to use a determinant rule, equation 11.3b. And we can say that the cross product between vector A and vector B, this would be equaling the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix, I hat, j hat, k hat, and then it would be 5.4 minus 3.50, negative 8.5, 5.6, and 2.0. And so this would be equaling negative 7.0 I hat minus 10.8 j hat plus 0.49 k hat. And this would be your answer for part A. For part B, now we want to use 11.3a to find the angle between the two vectors. So we can say that first, the magnitude of the cross product would be equaling the square root of negative 7.0 squared plus negative 10.8 squared plus 0.49 squared. And this is going to equal 12.88. We can then say that the magnitude of A is equaling the square root of 5.4 squared plus negative 3.5 squared. This is equaling 6.435. And then for B, rather the magnitude of B and the magnitude of A, this is equaling the square root, and this would be negative 8.5 squared plus 5.6 squared plus 2.0 squared. And this is equaling 10.37. So we can use the definition of a cross product for part B. We know that the cross product between vector A and vector B is equaling the magnitude of A times the magnitude of B times sine of theta. And so theta is simply equaling arc sine of the cross product, the magnitude of the cross product between A and B, divided by A times B. And so theta will equal arc sine of 12.88 divided by 6.435 multiplied by 10.37. This is equaling 11.1 degrees or 168.9 degrees. We're going to use a dot product to resolve which angle it actually is. So the dot product between the two vectors would be equaling 5.4 times negative 8.5 plus 3.5 times 5.6, and then plus 0 times 2.0. And we find that this is equaling negative 26.3, which is of course less than 0. And because the dot product is negative, this means that the angle between the two vectors must be obtuse. And so theta is indeed 168.9 degrees. We can round this off to 169 degrees. This would be our final angle for this would be our final answer for the angle between vector A and vector B. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.